National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a flash flood warning for Lawrence County in upstate South Carolina until 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 11:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Heavy convective rainfall will overspread Greater Lawrence and Clinton through midday. A period of severe urban tide flooding is probable. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Lawrence, Clinton, Fountain Inn, Joanna, Gray Court, Cross Hill, Waterloo, Lake Greenwood, Mountsville, Aura, Enory, Hickory Tavern, Kennards, and Princeton. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Flash flood warning remains in effect until